What's up, gang? Today we are going on a road trip and we are going to Mysore, you're supposed to say. So, Kavin's driving, Nishok's in the back seat, and we are on our way to Mysore. We're trying to beat the Bangalore traffic. We've woken up early, 7 a.m. start, guys. Isn't that crazy? So, what's the plan in Mysore? We're just going there for a chill time. I've never been to Mysore. It's just 150 kilometers from Bangalore, and we are going to have a blast. Minimum 6,000 calories today, right? 7,000, okay. So I have my sunglasses on because I'm gonna pass out and see you guys in Mysore. So guys, we're now stopping for breakfast. This place is called Vaishali. It's just off the expressway and I'm gonna be going and sending some non-veg like keema dosa and maybe some biryani, some kal soup, whatever comes my way. Apart from Kavin and Nishok, we also have Adit. Bro, introduce yourself.
What's up? I'm Adit. I'm here for the food.
And we also have Hari. I'm so glad all of us here are non-vegetarians. What have you ordered? Keema dosa, mutton biryani, paya soup, one chicken curry and one plain dosa as well. Guys, full sending it, okay? Man, did you just say small? Let's see you, bro. Show me the chest. Show me your chest. Fucking flat chest, pigeon chest, bullshit. So this is a paya soup. I have a slight cold. It will be very comforting. Let's give it a shot. Oh, bro, this is mental, bro. It's mental good. This is one of the best payas I've had. This paya soup is insanely good. It's so fat. It's so rich. Oh my god, bro, keema dosa is also here. This is what I was the most excited for. This is the keema dosa, guys. It's basically a plain dosa with mutton keema inside. Just look at that. This is my first time ever eating keema dosa. I've never eaten keema dosa before. My boys are saying that this is the best place you could have eaten keema dosa. So let's see what the hype is about. Oh my god. If you guys are ever going to Mysore, Coorg, or if you're on the highway, or fuck it, if you just want a good breakfast, come here. It's insane.
People, they put like a early morning trip. They'll come in the morning, belt this mutton dosa and go back.
Oh, biryani is also here, man.
Actually, I can do one more dosa.
So, although they call it a biryani, but it's more of a mutton pulao preparation, and that's how Nati Karnataka style biryani looks like. Green, and it's packed with flavor, alright? I really like that small grain rice in my pulao or biryani, whatever you want to call it. And oh my god, bro, look at the shreds, bro. I ate 5,000 calories yesterday, so it's just coming out like crazy. Vaishali biryani taste test. Let's go. It's a pulao. It's a pulao. It's a fatty pulao. With this curry, I suppose it'll go really well. Bro, that biryani got over even before I started.
Biryani got inhaled.
Yeah, it got inhaled. I think we should put one more. Second round of keema dosa, man. Insane. Cannot stop eating. 2 keema dosa, 1 biryani, 1 paya soup. That is what you should be getting here.
One more biryani.
Hey, anyone has 30 change?
Guys, tummies, games. 5,000 calories yesterday. 2,000 calorie breakfast right now. Another 3,000 or 4,000 calories by the end of the day. Easy. Hari's got his Creta. Creta, mere bhai. Guys, Mysore is little too pretty. Kavin's booked us a club room at this Mysore Sports Club, which has been around since 1933, and it looks like they haven't renovated since 1933.
How do you know it's been around since 1933?
It's mentioned outside.
Oh, what a crazy guy, bro.
What a crazy! It's facts and information for my audience. Beautiful place though, bro.
Yes.
While we are waiting for our other friends to arrive, I'm gonna be eating this sandwich which Kavin's mom packed for him. But I am that bully fat kid who steals the skinny kid's food and then eats it. This is an egg sandwich, some scrambled eggs inside, and what else is there, bro? Cheese. I can see some cheese. So guys, we have taken 2 rooms as this is one of the rooms. This is Adit, and look at the bed. Technically, all 5 of us could fit here if we wanted to. Bro, just look at the size of this room. We paid only 3,600 for this room. Yeah, we'll pay cricket here, bro. Send it. Look at the bathroom, man. Why is the bathroom so big? Fuck, club rooms are insane. Guys, let's take a minute to thank Kavin for this booking.
I'm uncle, bro. I didn't do anything.
Thank you, Kavin's uncle. What's your uncle's name?
Amir, bro.
Amir uncle. Shout out to you. Okay, if you have Instagram, let me know. I'll link it in the description. Everybody can call Amir uncle if they want to stay in Mysore.
How do I get a room in Mysore?
So now I'm going to take you to the next room, which is a cottage house. And guys, this is the cottage that we have. You walk in, you have a sit out area where smokers can smoke. and then you have.
Mohit can smoke. Mohit can smoke.
They know I don't smoke.
They know you're lying.
And then we have 3 beds here, a TV, study, and we have a dressing with a bathroom attached. Guys, can you believe it? 3,600 rupees for this entire room. Bro, Nishok, sexy rooms, no? Do you want to get one club membership? What, 5 crores, huh? Kavin's grandparents and parents have memberships pretty much in every club in Bangalore.
Yeah. No, balls.
Affiliate at least.
Affiliate, yeah, in every club. Actual membership only in like 2-3 clubs.
3 clubs, like that's less. Heading out for lunch now. We are going to Maratha Mess. Hari is taking us to Maratha Mess. Let's go, Hari. This is his Creta. Creta hai mere bhai. Our lunch place, Maratha Kitchen, is right there. But look at it, it's raining. So we've just taken one pit stop, okay? We're just shelter, you know. This is the place, guys. Oh, I think entrance is from here. Let's go. We are right now at Maratha Mess. We've ordered a lot of food, starting from mutton chops, mutton korma, chicken kebab, chicken chops, multiple things. And just have a look at this place. It's an old school vibe. So we've taken this marble table. It was almost like reserved for us, right? Jam-packed everywhere else, but this one kept aside for us. And yeah, just look at the kitchen inside. Insane. This is Hari's recommendation. Hari, what can we expect?
Bro, anything in mutton and chicken can do, bro. It's amazing. You just have it, you'll have the best time of your life.
I'm not too sure what is what. Bro, it looks too good. This is exactly the kind of food I came to Mysore for. Starting with my chapati and mutton korma. Oh, bro, it's good. Fuck yeah, this is exactly what I wanted.
You want it all?
This chili chicken, right? Chicken, let's see. Bro, chili chicken mental. Bro, that chili chicken gravy is what, bro? Otherworldly. Bro, the kebab also looks phenomenal. Oh my god. Kebab best. Look at the biryani. This is Maratha style biryani. Guys, I'm just short of words. Food like this doesn't go to the tummy, man. It goes to the soul. Guys, all that food and the bill is only 2,478. It's unbelievable. The value, right?
It's amazing, bro.
Insanely good food. You cannot miss this place. Also, one fun fact that I missed about this place, it's women run. Okay, it's all women stuff. Guys, we are now going to Sapa Bakery, which is by far one of the most famous establishments in Mysore.
Mohit, when did you hear about it, bro?
But I heard about it in 2020 when my ex-girlfriend moved to Mysore to study architecture.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm not even joking.
Actually, came and studied
Yeah.
architecture.
What is that WFA architecture?
So she told me about this place. Bobbies, Adit and I are standing in the queue here at Sapa and hectic crowd. The waiting is like 30 minutes. But yeah, we're getting some sweets. We're getting tart, cookies, donuts, hot chalk, lot of stuff. So there is this smoking area that we're sitting and eating in because under seating nahi mili. Okay, don't think that we're smoking out here. It's just that there's no seating. So if I didn't mention that this was smoking area, they wouldn't even notice, right?
It's not 120 rupees for a fucking biscuit.
Donut I feel is too sweet, bro.
To end the day, guys, we've ordered a lot of food to the room. It's yet to come, but so far we've gotten these mutton chops. And I kid you not, these are one of the best Indian preparations of mutton chops I've ever had. We ordered just 12 pieces initially, and then we had given a long ass order. We canned the entire order and ordered 12 more pieces of these mutton chops because of how good they are. Insane, man, insane. Mysore Sports Club, they figured it out. And then our waiter says that, you know, mutton chop is not even their best thing. They say that their biryani is the best. Guys, this is the biryani. From morning we've been eating donne biryani, but now it's more like dum style with long grain rice. And it smells amazing in here. And look at the boys. Fucking they are flexing. Look at the tummy though. We've eaten so much today.
Welded food, bro. This was not there. Literally yesterday morning, this is not there. It's come today, bro. Fuck.
It's worth it though, right?
It's actually insane.
Yeah. Just rice now, bro.
You want rice, no?
Just rice, yeah. Bro, easily this will finish, bro. Bro, we just woke up. Last night was a blast. The food at the club is insane. So you guys saw the biryani, the mutton chops, the chicken curry, naan. After which we ordered some desserts. Tiramisu, ice cream, gadbad. Oh my god. So the cost for the stay per person, the food per person for the night came out to be only 2,700. Bro, I kid you not, I've eaten over 8,000 calories yesterday and if I were to eat this much elsewhere, it would have costed me like tens of thousands of rupees. Now for the last meal in Mysore, we've come to Annapurna by RRR. Are you excited?
Yes.
Actually, we are excited to not eat biryani.
Yeah, bro.
I never thought I'd be saying that, but we've eaten biryani for breakfast, lunch and dinner yesterday.
Bro, that's not even an okay Mohit exaggeration. We've literally eaten all 3 meals, fucking 3 biryanis.
And all good though.
Yeah, all.
Mutton chops was the best.
Oh bro, the mutton chops last night was phenomenal. Phenomenal. Best mutton chops we've eaten.
I'd have it like for all 3 meals.
You know what? I'm putting biryani one last time. Okay? Fuck it. This trip was meant for biryani, so I'm gonna get one last biryani. I thought I'll do veg meals because just wanted to calm my tummy down. But jo hoga so hoga. If I have to blast in the bathroom, so be it. Mutton biryani is here. Probably one of the most mellow looking biryanis we've seen in the last 24 hours. There's some chicken fry, again one more mutton biryani. Bro, my stomach is growling. I don't understand why. I'm not hungry, but it's...
This is like the 5th biryani, I think.
Bro, next we put on juice top something.
Bro, we've been eating like very power-packed biryanis. This is a more mellow preparation. Not biryani spice, but this is like mellow. Apart from the biryani, the boys have gotten a chicken curry, which is like an Andhra preparation. Some naan to go with it. Hari has taken a chicken biryani. We've all eaten mutton, but Hari has eaten only chicken. Apart from that, there's also one chicken 64, which is basically fried chicken. And yeah, that is what we are eating for lunch today. Chicken curry taste test. Oh, that's a very tangy chicken curry. Like the tartness of the tomato is very evident. And there's a yogurt preparation in it. So it's very acidic in nature. Not going well with the biryani. With the naan, it's good. Give me one small piece of naan, bro. And of course, you had to spill on my pant. And for the last meal in Mysore, we have come to the Green Hotel. Whoa. Bro. Oh my god, desserts are here, guys. Bro, that cake looks fluffy, jiggly, soft. My apple pie looks insane.
How is it?
Apple pie is really good. Really good, no? Really fucking good, man. Great pit stop. Guys, you need to stop here. Malgudi Cafe at the Green Hotel.